A man shot in the head while driving, and his case might be part of an alarming trend across our state. Murfreesboro Pike in South Nashville is back open this afternoon after the shooting. Police say it might be road rage. Let's go straight to News 2's Adam Mincer with the latest on this developing story. Adam?
Mark, police say the victim here is alive. He was taken to Vanderbilt Hospital, but is alert and speaking. This happened around 9 a.m. and occurred just south of the Nashville International Airport on Murfreesboro Pike. Investigators are still working to confirm if this was a road rage incident. If so, this is the latest incident in a disturbing trend.
Road rage has gone up every year starting in 2018, and this trend doesn't seem to be slowing. And road rage in Tennessee is also going up.
Police haven't provided any additional information at this time, nor have they given us a description of a suspect. Mark?